Hi. Okay, so what I'm going to show you in this video here is how I get started on a new site. I've talked before in previous videos about my starter site and the boilerplate that I set up with all the different CSS classes and spacing and just getting everything set up so that it is fully responsive right out of the box. So I'm going to now start a new site, and here's my starter site right here. I call it Oxymaster. It's local. It's on my local drive. And what I'm going to do, since I use um, this local Flywheel by local, I have it here, and it's real simple. So here's my Oxymaster. This is that site right there. All I have to do is Control click, come down here, and I hit clone site. And I'm just going to give it a name. In this case, I'm going to just call it DJM white LAB label. Clone site. Just wait for it to happen, and that's it. It's as simple as that. And okay, so I'm going to pause the video while I'm waiting for that to happen. Okay, and that was it. That's as quick as it was. It's the site has been cloned. It's just setting everything up now, and here we are. We're done, and that's it. So now I have my Oxy Master, and now I have my DJM white label website. Now everything is all. There's nothing to it. That's it. One button, and I'm done. So I can hit Open Site, and it will open it up in a new browser window here in just 1 second. And since it's a clone, the username and the password will be the same. So if I just put in WP admin here, remember me, and that's it. I'm in. It's the exact same site. I'm not going to remember the password on this one. It's the exact same site as I had before. And that's it. I'm all set. I'm all ready to go. All right. Thank you.